Tokyo has a bunch of different ways to get around. Besides the many JR lines that go all over the city, there are also subways and private trains. But with all these choices and the routes being kind of confusing, how do you figure out what's best for you? And what about discount tickets and how to make the most of them? No stress. We've got a new episode to show you a straightforward way to pick the right transportation in Tokyo. In this video, we spill all the details about the Tokyo subway. We'll cover the main companies running the subway, break down the differences in their coverage, highlight sweet discount options, and clue you in on important precautions when riding the subway in Tokyo. This way, you'll master Tokyo's transport scene and score some serious savings. So let's get started. The subway is like the go-to way of getting around in Tokyo. Right now, there are two main operators. One is called Tokyo Metro, which is kind of like owned by the state, and the other one is Toei Subway, run by the Tokyo Metropolitan Government. Tokyo Metro has like 9 lines and Toei Subway has 4. Together, they pretty much cover all of Tokyo, hitting up all the cool spots. If you know how to hop on the subway, you're good to go for exploring Tokyo. Easy peasy. Both Tokyo Metro and Toei Subway have a starting fare of 180 yen. If you use an IC card, the fare is 178 yen, and it's calculated based on how far you travel. Both Tokyo Metro and Toei Subway run from 5 a.m. to 12 a.m. Trains come frequently, like every 2 to 5 minutes, so you don't really need to bother with the timetable. Tokyo Metro and Toei Subway each rolled out their own one-day passes, as well as some that work for both companies. If you're mainly using the subway for your journey, grabbing a one-day pass can save you a bunch of cash. One particularly handy and budget-friendly option is the Tokyo Subway Toei Subway 24/72-hour ticket. It is also called Tokyo Subway Ticket, which is a discounted ticket for tourists that works on both subway systems. It allows unlimited travel on all Tokyo Metro lines and all Toei Subway lines within 24 hours, 48 hours, or 72 hours after activation. Once you stick it in the subway gate for the first time, it kicks in and counts in hours. The validity lasts for 24, 48, or 72 hours from the first use. Let's say you slide a 24-hour pass into the subway gate at 3 p.m. today. That means you're good to ride both Tokyo Metro and Toei Subway until 3 p.m. tomorrow. Here are the ticket prices for 24 hours, 48 hours, and 72 hours. Maybe you're wondering, should I snag a Tokyo Subway ticket? Let's break it down and help you decide. Grabbing a 24-hour pass for 800 yen is like taking 5 subway rides a day, or the total fare goes over 800 yen. Opting for a 48-hour ticket at 1,200 yen equals just 600 yen per day. You can get your money's worth by averaging 4 subway trips a day, or if the total fare surpasses 600 yen. For a 72-hour ticket at 1,500 yen, it's only 500 yen per day. You'll break even by averaging 3 subway trips daily, or if the total fare tops 500 yen. But if you're not riding the subway much, or your daily subway fares are low, and you often take other transportation like JR or private railways, Tokyo Subway Ticket might not be your best bet. Tips. Remember, the Tokyo Subway Ticket won't work on JR lines or any private railways. Lots of tourists often mix up some popular train lines thinking they're part of the subway. But here's the deal, the Tokyo Subway Ticket won't work on these lines. So just a heads up, don't forget. If you're looking for the best ways to get around Japan on your trip, be sure to visit our website, and it's got free downloadable travel plans for various destinations. Catch you in the next video for more tips on getting around Tokyo.